There is this great quote, you need money to make money. Yes, or they say, money is what you use to make more money. That is very true. But let me tell you something. On the internet, everything is possible. Today, I'm going to show you top free resource that a lot of online entrepreneurs are using to make over $200,000 online. And today, you have access to it and also start making your own money online. Especially if you don't have money or you have money but you are on a tight budget. These tools are going to help you drastically. Now, when it comes to tool number one, imagine having a professional looking website without spending a dime or even learning how to code, learning how to go and write HTML, JavaScript, and PHP and all those stuff. That's exactly what tool number one is for. Yes, you heard me right. Tool number one is free website builder. Now, these tools will help you. Literally, you can go register for free on this platform like WordPress.com, Wix, and Weebly. They offer free plan for you to create and host your website, and this is a free drag and drop website. You don't even need to have any form of skills or any form of coding experience for you to be able to create your own professional looking website. As this platform, they have templates, free template that you can use. All you need to do is select your template, exchange with the information that is on the template, and change the pictures you find here, and you have a professional looking website without paying a dime. That is tool number one. When it comes to tool number two, you remember that when you're creating your website, you will need beautiful images, right? You need them to be appealing and to be nice. But if you want to go the way other people will go around it, you will need to spend so much money creating, defeating, and eye-catching images. What if I told you that this particular tool here will save you all that stress? Yes, I'm talking about free tools that you can use for graphic designs. Now, free tools like Canva and GIMP, they are a game changer when it comes to designing your logo, your social media posts, your marketing materials, your graphic on your website. Every single thing can be done, and as a matter of fact, with the template, and all for free. You don't need to pay a dime to use this particular tool. So you can literally start your business. This is what other big creators are using online to make money online. All those amount they are making, they are using a lot of these free tools, right? They don't start by paying for these tools. They use them for free until when they start making money before they now upgrade. So you can do the same thing as well with this free tool. Tool number three that you can get for free right now are free marketing tools. Now, there are different type of way for you to start making money with your online business if you decide to start one. And one of the sure way is by making sure that your marketing is on point. Now, but again, you can't spend so much money marketing because you don't have money and you're just a beginner. So what you need now is a free tool that will help you in your marketing. And that is where you can start leveraging tools like MailChimp that allows you to send email for free without spending a dime, right? Another tool you can use is Hootsuite. Hootsuite will help you to schedule your social media posting, where you can be posting regularly, attracting clients that will start paying you, and you're not paying anything to use that particular tool. How about Google My Business? When you go on Google, you will type big people's business, you will see their profile on business show. These things are made available there for free. They're not paying for it. These are the tools you can use right now to enhance and to start doing a professional marketing. Especially when it comes to Google My Business, you can begin to use it to enhance your own local SEO, right? To optimize the search engine so that people can start seeing your businesses. These tools can help you connect with potential customers for free. How cool is that? Now let's talk about tool number four. Now, tool number four is very, very important. If you want to grow in any business at all, you cannot even neglect tool number four. That is the bloodline. That is everything about every business. Yes, I'm talking about learning our educational resources, right? Learning tools that you need to keep refreshing what you know. And free learning resources are one of the sure ways that you can definitely right now start to improve your skills of marketing, your skills of graphic design, your skills of creating products. Without learning, you are not going anywhere. So, but what are the tools and platforms that can be used right now that you can start learning for free without going to pay any coach or buying high expensive courses online? The first tool here is Coursera, right? Coursera is a fantastic tool that you can use to go and learn for free. Another tool is EDX. You go use EDX and learn for free. Professional courses, yes. Then the most fantastic of all is YouTube. Right now, you're watching this video on YouTube to educate you about how you can start to leverage on your online business. Yes, and this is a free video for you, right? YouTube is a fantastic platform to go and learn so that you can leverage on your skills and start making more money. With all these tools, you can right now you can gain valuable skills without spending a dime of your money. Like I learn a lot on YouTube. Every day I'm on YouTube learning. You too can do the same thing. Now I know all these tools will help you to make money for free online. But again, when you start making those money for free, you need to be able to have a way of managing your money so that you don't just lose them for free, just the way you made them. So that is why tool number 5 is very, very important. And tool number 5 is free financial management tools. Yes, you heard me right. Free financial management tools. These tools will help you manage your finances, how much you are making, your budgeting, and even help you to make projections on what you can potentially make. Now, tools like Wave, very good tool. Another one is Zoho Books that will help you do the bookkeeping and everything around your finances. Then, not only that, they will also help you with free accounting and invoicing. Fantastic tool, guys. Fantastic tool. You can still use this same tool to track your expenses and manage your entire cash flow. That is why these tools are very, very helpful, and they are all free tools. These are the top 5 free tools that creators, online entrepreneurs are using to make so much money. Most of these guys who are making money online, they are not spending all the money on their tools, right? They get to use most of these tools for free. But if you don't know, you will think that everything is about spending money. No. Now that you've known the free tools that you need, if you now want to leverage on your skill, go and watch the next video on how to create digital products online using some of these tools that I've mentioned, and start leveraging on your expertise, knowledge, and skills to create financial freedom for you and your generation to come. See you in the next video.